What's good, Stushy? It's your girl Stushy back with another video for all my new subscribers. Hey, how you doing? My name is Stushy. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. We're happy to have you guys back to check out our brand new video. I woke up today feeling just super inspired, super happy, super blessed, super thankful, super just amazing, great Stush. Life is just, the sun is shining its rays on me. And I don't know, I just feel really good. It is currently 2 p.m. I'm off today. I figured, you know, I should get ready. You know, I did some cleaning in my apartment. You know, I just been feeling really good. I think it's because of my day yesterday. So I'm gonna just start doing my face. I'm gonna just, you know, start getting ready, start getting glammed, and I'm gonna talk to you guys. I haven't done a get ready with me in a little while, so why not? Okay, so I'm gonna start on my eyes. I already did my eyebrows. Face is already primed. Actually, I need to prime my nose. I'll give y'all a backtrack, okay? Today's Friday. This video is probably gonna go up on Sunday because you know I upload on Sunday. If you didn't already know, I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, okay?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give.
Gonna apply some of this lip balm from Bite Beauty. I love this. I already have some on, but it smells so good. And my lips is looking a little crusty, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on. But yeah, so yesterday was Thursday. I got off of work. I knew that I wanted to do laundry, and I set an appointment from 2 weeks ago for Smile Direct Club. If you guys are not familiar with Smile Direct Club, it is a liner service, Invisalign service, and as you guys know, if you don't already know, if you haven't been watching my videos, your girl got some spices, okay? I've wanted to, you know, work on my smile for a little while. I was supposed to get braces a while back, and don't get me wrong, I love my smile, okay? That's something I will never ever deny. I love my smile as is, but I've always wanted to, you know, fix my spacing, fix some of the gaps that I have. So with that being said, I went to get my scan yesterday to see, you know, if I'm an eligible candidate for the Invisalign program, and I knew I would be. But yeah, the experience was overall 10 out of 10. I did film it, but I think I'm gonna do like a collective series. I'll like update you guys later on when I start to do that. Ooh, yes, I'm gonna be giving y'all some color today. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. This is my Fruit Sorbet by Valivasi. Y'all know I love this palette. It was only $18 at Sephora. I might go back and get, they have like 3 others, but I'm just gonna be going in with these 2 shades right here. 1, 2. I'm gonna be going in with those, and I'm just gonna pop those on my eye. I'm just packing them in right now. So yeah, that happened. Right after that, I went to Walmart because I needed to get some, you know, facial stuff, some stuff for the house. I don't go to Walmart a lot, but if I'm in that area where there is a Walmart, I'll pop in because they have a lot of like different beauty items that you might not find in your typical CVS or your typical Walgreens or something, because, you know, depending on the area, they might carry certain stuff for, you know, the people that live in that area. They supply, you know, what the people in that area, you know, demand. So with that being said, Walmart usually has everything that I need. I picked up a few items trying to clear my skin. That's my goal for the summer, is to clear my skin. I picked up an aloe vera leaf 2 days ago because I wanted to incorporate it in my skincare regimen that I'm working on, you know, for the summer. And the aloe leaf ran me around like $2, almost $3. After talking to my coworker, and she told me she had a house plant, and, you know, knowing that my mom has planted stuff and my aunt was a gardener at one point, or, you know, she gardens as well, I was like, let me go into the gardening and outdoor section, and I found an aloe vera plant. So I purchased the aloe vera plant, and that ran me around the same amount as the actual leaf that I purchased. So I decided, listen, if I can harvest this and grow this and, you know, have it thrive, I don't need to purchase an aloe vera leaf from the grocery store. I can just, you know, pick it off my own plant. I got that, and then I knew I also wanted to buy some herbs because I cook a lot. If you guys haven't already kind of seen from some of my videos or some of my vlogs, your girl is low-key a chef, and I've always wanted to do cooking videos for you guys, but I'm going to wait until I'm in a permanent space before I start to do, you know, cooking videos. And because right now I have a fridge and it just makes too much noise. Hold up, under my eye. Hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up. I live with my roommates, and I kind of want to, you know, once I get into a more permanent space, then I feel like I'll, you know, provide you with those videos. I be cooking for real, okay? Y'all see I'm on a rant right now. I also picked up a basil plant. I was looking for a parsley and a thyme plant, but I couldn't find any ones that I really liked. They all kind of looked like they were dying, to be honest, and I'd rather get something that's thriving and continue to have it thrive and grow compared to something that's dying and try to make it thrive and grow, you know what I'm saying? And why am I paying for something that's dying? That makes no sense. I'd rather get something, you know, that's full of life. So I bought a basil plant because I really enjoy basil. I like making a lot of Italian food. The last plant that I got was a peace lily, and it's so pretty.
I don't know how I forgot to tell you guys that I bought a bamboo plant, but isn't she pretty? So in total I got 4, okay? 4, not 3. All right, back to the story.
So pretty. To be honest, I feel like I woke up in an amazing space this morning. I feel like, I don't know, my energy in here is it's just unexplainable. I feel like, I don't know, I'm on top of the world. A lot of people might be like, girl, you bought plants. Okay, and a plant is kind of like, to me, it's kind of like a child, okay? And obviously I'm not putting Pampers on it, and I'm not wiping its booty. It is a responsibility, okay? And call me green thumb Stush, because they're gonna do great. In addition to me eating healthy, I have plants that are gonna help cleanse my space.
By now, I know you guys are probably like, what is in that girl's head? It's not dandruff. No, I just washed my hair and I haven't worked the product in. So don't come for me. Thank you.
Woo, do y'all see that? I could have cut that a little bit better, but it's okay, it's okay. Let me do the other eye. I need to get an interior cleaning for my car, and I took off my nails that I got done when I was in New York City. So I think I'm gonna go buy some press-ons. I think that's my mood. But what's been going on with you guys? I wanna know. What's been going on with y'all? Now I'm just trying to blend these two. You know? I was telling you guys that I want to start working out, right? And I don't know if today's gonna be the day. Depending on how nice it is outside, maybe I'll go to the park. They have this park here where it's like super big. Apparently the person that designed the park was the same person that designed Central Park, so that should kind of like give you guys an idea. I know that's on my agenda for one day this summer. I'm just seeing how my eyes look. But let me tell you guys something. I've been trying to be, sometimes I could be a real, not a Debbie Downer, but a negative Nancy, and that is not good at all. If I'm not in a happy space, my brain will, you know, start to overthink and just, you know, go on a rampage. But as of late, I've been trying to be more positive. I feel as though it will reflect in, you know, everything that you do if you have more of a positive energy. And I feel like these plants will help. It'll help to keep my space positive. It'll help to keep my energy up, my inspiration up. I feel like when I'm most inspired is when I create my best work. And this is not just, you know, YouTube videos. This is everything. You know, if you feel good, you do good. Moral of the story, right? Okay, that looks good. If it's not making me happy, I'm gonna ignore it. I'm gonna put it to the side, as well as the people you're around. The people you're around, believe it or not, can affect your mood tremendously. So trying to just have good people in my space, good people in my corner. And my Glade spray just went off, and I feel like everything should work out well. You know, I get dark in the summertime. I love the sun. I go outside. I try to get that vitamin D. Listen, I get dark. I feel like I might have tanned a little bit wearing this on. Look at this. But no, after I blend everything out, you know, and do my contouring and my highlighting, we're matching the neck. That's what we're matching. Blend this out. But yeah, I'm really trying to get my skin, you know, in sync. My hair, I feel like I've been Roy Bivin' it. Now I haven't done every single color, but pink and purple were definitely ones that were on my list. Right now, this color that I have in is kind of fading, but I'm not mad at it. I work at a place where I really shouldn't be doing color, but what they gonna say? They gonna have to fire me. I've never understood places where they're like, oh, you can't wear dreads, or you can't wear your, you know, like BS. You're either gonna take me for my talents, or you're gonna lose me, because I come as is. My job is pretty cool about it. They probably might feel away, but they don't say shit to me, so that's all that matters. And to be honest, I wouldn't change my hairstyle for a company anyway, so I guess they kind of have to live with it or find somebody else, right? Okay. Others may feel differently, which is fine. Well, somebody text me. Oh, that's sweet. Let's see who it is. Oh, my best friend. Hey, boo. I'ma try. For real. Serious thing. If you guys haven't already subscribed, click that subscribe button. Become a part of the Stush game. Okay, we welcome you guys. I feel like I'm gonna do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, which I think we're on a road to 500 right now, but we're always planning ahead. We're planning for the bigger picture. We're planning for 10K. We're planning for 50K. We're planning for 100K, and I have no doubt that we will get there. I also think you guys really like my playlist videos. I feel like in another life I'd be a musician or a DJ or something, because I love music. We are looking bright right now. We're gonna do some bronzing. We're gonna do some contouring. See why I said I could have been a musician in another life? Whoa. Get some warmth with some Fenty Beauty girl. Also, if you know, you know, I'm a big Rihanna fan, so shout out to my sis for launching Fenty very own clothing line. Getting some warmth in there. Ooh, y'all see that? Yes. I ain't done, but still. Get this forehead. Sometimes I contour my forehead, sometimes I don't. It all depends on how I'm feeling. I'm always feeling for lashes though. Your girl is always in the mood for a good lash. And I will be throwing one on today. Thank you. But yeah, I haven't actually used my aloe vera. I think I'm mostly gonna have time to do that in the nighttime for 7 days to see if I notice any difference in my skin. If you guys are using aloe vera in your skincare regimen, let me know. As I use up top, I'm gonna use underneath. I gotta be careful because I have my contacts in. Shadow gets in my eye. My eyes are sensitive enough. I'm looking sun-kissed. Who that? The Sun. I'm actually using 2 Violet Boss palettes. I'm using the Fruit Sorbet one, and I'm also using my hashtag Pro. I didn't show you guys this in the beginning, but I'm using that. Woo! Bronzing is done. Yes. Ooh, I don't know if I went so soft now. Woo! 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 Don't kill nobody now. Pop a little bit right in the brow bone area. Just a little bit. Don't worry, I'm gonna work on this side because she's icy, feisty. That's the vibe that she's giving. But it's alright, we're gonna tone her down a little bit with our face brush. Just dab over it a little bit. Just like that. I like the icy vibe. I was gonna go more gold, but I low-key like the icy vibe. I might just dab a little bit in the gold. Pop it right there. I'm going light on blush. Real light. It's been hours now I've been doing my face. See, this is why your girl can never get out the house. And lashes. I'm adding some beauty marks in the picture. It just wakes the look up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I think I'm just gonna put on some regular nude. You know your girl love a nude. Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk. Ooh. Ciao. Sis. And it pairs well with my highlighter that I got going on, a little silver vibe. Outside is seeing me today. I don't know about you. It's done, but that feels so good too. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Let me give you guys some slow-mos real quick. Hang on. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys got a little bit of inspiration through this video and like a bomb ass look. BT dubs, I'm really digging this look, y'all. I'm gonna have to go outside for real. Like, no, I was really going outside anyway, but so I might do a part 2 featuring this look. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's content, and also be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Be sure to join the gang. We want to see you guys here with us each and every step of the way. If you haven't already, click that notification bell button, because YouTube does the advantage of letting you guys know every single time that I upload. And until next time, bye y'all.